This lawn is looking boss. It's had a feed, it's had a cut, and I think it's ready for the one thing that's going to take this lawn just to the next level. And that is using this fella here, the cylinder mower. Now granted, this is an expensive bit of kit, but what you can do is get a really similar result using one of the cheapest lawn mowers out there, which is a Web push mower. That's a cylinder that doesn't require a battery or petrol or anything. It's going to do the job, and most of you know of that mower anyway. But it's the impact of using this which will have a massive impact on how boss our lawn is going to look this year. And that's because of how this cylinder is going to cut the lawn. It's almost going to cut it like scissors, meaning we're going to get a cleaner cut. When you cut with a rotary, it's not necessarily bad. What it is doing is it's quite aggressive as it's cutting that plant, like a kung fu chip chop kind of slice. And that's okay if your grass is kept quite long. However, if you want to cut your grass short, getting it almost golf green standards, then you're going to want to cut with a cylinder, because like I said, it cuts it like scissors. It gives it a much cleaner cut, and you can take the tiniest fragments off the grass as we get into the late spring and into the summer too. But we're not going to go completely mental and chop this lawn to death today. We're just going to take the height down ever so slightly, and over the next few weeks we'll continue to bring it down lower and lower until this lawn is looking absolutely unreal. Now you can dial in most cylinder mowers to literally like a specific millimetre, and you can use a grass gauge like this to see how long your grass already is, and we can see that currently this grass is anywhere from kind of like 30 mil to 40 mil, give or take. We come to another part of the lawn and place this down, just do a rough check everywhere. I mean, there it is quite long, around about 40 mil or so. So you're always going to be wanting to start higher, and that's what I'm going to be doing in this instance as well. And I put this mower on its highest setting, which is a 30 mil. So let's get this grass collector on and give it its first cylinder cut of the year. So there's not a huge amount in there, most of it is only small stuff. And just to think, this lawn is not going to need a renovation this year, it's not going to need to be overseeded this year. All it's going to need is a bit of food and a bit of cutting, and it's going to be looking as boss as what it is. In fact, no, it's not. It's going to look even better than what it is now. This looks boss for March. It's going to look even more incredible when we get to April and into May. And I say it all the time, bent fescue. It's bent fescue is the best grass type out there. If you haven't given your lawn a feed yet this year, then I'd recommend to definitely do so, because that's going to get the grass growing. The more it grows, the more you need to cut. The more you cut, the more it's going to thicken, and the better your lawn is going to look. And lawn care can literally be as simple as that. The most satisfying thing isn't getting out and applying products, it is giving the lawn a cut and enjoying how incredible it looks. So yeah, subscribe if you want to follow along with some more no-nonsense lawn tip videos. And finally, thanks for watching.